Okay, so you should have read that needs to go away. You should have read the text below. So now that we know what the text is about, let's go over our learning target, okay? So eyes on your book or eyes up here. And let's read it out loud together. Starting on identifying. Ready? Begin. Identifying the main idea and key details in a text will help you summarize it. Summarizing a text helps you better understand it. Okay? So when we have a long text, we make it shorter for us to remember and help us to understand what is the most important parts about it, okay? Thomas, I need your mask on, please.
But this is probably already a summary.
Okay, so right here. Starting on read, when. Ready, Ledger? Ready, Noah? Begin. When you tell your friends about a soccer game, you don't want to bore them with every detail. Instead, you tell only the most important events, leaving out the parts that aren't necessary for understanding what happened. Similarly, when you summarize a text, you should use your own words and tell a short but complete version of that text. Include only the main idea, the big idea, and the key details that say more about the main idea. Read the passage below, identify what the passage is about. Okay, just by looking at the title, what is this talking about?
Soccer.
Soccer, Ariana?
Football.
Football. Okay, Elian, tapa a boca. Tapa a boca. Thank you. Okay, so it said, the most popular sport in Brazil is football, also known as soccer. As of 2015, the Brazilian national team has won the World Cup more than any other country. Brazil is known for its many champion soccer players, including Pelé, often called the best soccer player ever. Most Brazilian cities, towns, schools, and neighborhoods have local soccer teams. In Brazil, children quickly turn any open space or path or patch of dirt into a soccer field. Yes, Ariana.
Where I'm from, for some reason, they call soccer football with like a weird accent, like football.
Football
Yeah.
and like football.
Basically, everyone football, except for America.
You don't need your Chromebook right now, Thomas. So you shouldn't be out of your seat. Okay, so now, what are the things that it's mostly talking about? What do you think is the main idea, Ledger? About soccer. What else is an important key detail for the main idea here?
People from Brazil.
Raise your hand, Ariana. Ariana.
The most popular. Oh no, that's not a main idea.
Okay, football. What else?
So the topic is football. Wait, isn't that the ball?
The topic is football, right?
Yeah. Isn't that how they say it in Spanish?
We don't write this yet. The topic is football. Okay, what is the main idea that has to do about football and the text? What's the main idea?
The main idea is about.
What are they saying? What are they saying about soccer?
They won the World Cup many times.
Yeah, but that's a key detail. That's not a main idea.
They have.
Thomas, I need your Chromebook closed, please.
The best soccer players ever.
What are they saying about soccer? Bo?
It is the most popular sport in Brazil.
Good. Most popular sport in Brazil. This is the topic. Topic can be just one word. This is a main idea because it's giving what the author is talking about the topic. Okay? All right. So now let's go over to page 25. Page 25. Get your pencils ready. Thomas. Following instructions, please. I need the Chromebook closed. Get your pencil ready, Ledger. Write down main idea on your lined paper, please. Okay. Read the instructions always. Thomas. Think. Consider what you've learned so far about summarizing a text. In the main idea organizer below, add 2 key details from the passage, "Let's play football." Then use the organizer to complete the summary of the passage. Okay? Thomas. All the way. Thank you. Okay, so what's the main idea? Ledger, write it down. Main idea. Everybody say it together. Ready? Soccer is the most popular sport in Brazil. Ledger, did you write it down? No, it's not on your paper though. You don't have your book, so you have to write it on your paper. Thank you. Okay, so we need 3 key details, and lucky for you, you've already been given 1 key detail. So you need to find 2 more key details that are similar to the first one that will support our main idea of why we think that the main idea of the text is soccer is the most popular sport in Brazil. Okay, so first key detail, ready? The Brazilian national soccer team is a world champion. I already said no. Thank you. Okay, that's the first key detail. So now we need another key detail that should probably talk about Brazil and soccer being most popular sport. So now you need to go back and reread the text to find a key detail. So it's going to have to do with...
Soccer because we just did soccer outside.
Okay, it's going to have to do with Brazil, right? Okay, Ariana, what do you think?
Brazil is known for its many champion soccer players, including
Pelé.
Pelé.
Good, stop right there.
Ronaldinho.
That's good. Okay, write it down. So Brazil is known for... is known for its... Sorry, that does not have an apostrophe. Champion soccer players.
Champion or champion?
Ledger. Dylan. What do you mean? Huh? I'm writing, you writing. Thomas, writing, please.
I did. I just finished it.
Dylan, Dylan, just come grab your pencil. Hurry. Pick that one up too. Hurry. Oh, it's now broken. Comma. Pelé. Period. Okay. Elian, did you write it down? No. Elian, that's not in the text. We did not read that. Write it down, Elian, please. Thank you. Okay, key detail number 3. So what's another reason for why the author is saying that football is the most popular sport in Brazil? Go.
In Brazil, children quickly turn any open space
Those are actually.
or patch of dirt into a soccer field.
Okay. So so Brazilian children play soccer in any open space. Brazilian children play soccer in any open space.
Why do we only have 3 key details? Excuse me.
Take it off. Hurry up. Thank you. Okay. Is that good? Ready to move on for summary?
Are we ever ready in this life?
True. Okay, summary. So they started the first sentence. Soccer is the most popular sport in Brazil, period. Okay, so these are evidences / examples. Okay, so we can say, for example, to start our next sentence, comma. Keep going, Ledger. For example, so now we're going to put in this first part down here, okay? So for example, the Brazilian national soccer team is a world champion. Period. Okay, so what should be another word? Oops, that's gonna start our next sentence.
Wait, shouldn't we add apostrophes? Not apostrophes, those thingies.
Add what?
Those,
Commas?
no. When you know when you.
Quotation marks?
Yeah. Since we took it from the text.
But we didn't take it word by word. So we're not quoting it. We rewrote it in our own words.
Oh.
So this is like we said this. But we didn't take it from the text word by word. Okay? So, but yeah, good question. Okay, so what should be a word to start our next sentence? Or 2 words? So we can say also or in addition, capital I, Dylan writing down, comma,
In addition, Brazil is known for its champion soccer players including
Pele. Good. So in addition, so now this second part right here. Brazil, capital B because it is a place, is known for its champion soccer players. Lilian writing. Like, or comma, like Pele. Okay? And then lastly, so we can say lastly, capital L, comma. I hope you get this all down before I erase. Brazilian children, capital B, play soccer in any open space. Period.
I'm just using this to write a line.
Okay. Get that written down. And then I want to talk about, so what relationships or what do you see that between, what relationships do you see between the organizer, so that's all of these bubbles up here, and your summary? What relationships do you see? Dylan, did you get it all down? Did you write it all down? Okay. And Leanne, you got it all?
Mama's done.
I'm not done.
Elian, did you get it all written down?
0. 379.
Okay, did you write this, Elian? Okay, then don't just sit there, write it down, please.
That's the smallest summary I've ever seen.
Well, it was a short text, so it was a short summary.
Yeah.
Okay,
Too short.
so now let's talk about what relationships do you see? So what do you see that is the same, or what do they have in common that the organizer has with how we wrote our summary? What is the same about the organizer and our summary? What is the same? Mariana?
Our summary has all the things that are in the organizer.
Good, our summary has all of the things that our organizer has, right? So
Yeah,
when you get asked, write a summary, you need to say, maybe I can make some bubbles to help me picture it and organize it on my paper. So main idea is the first bubble. First key detail, second key detail, third key detail. Okay? Anything else? Okay, you got it all down?
No.
I don't think everybody does.
Okay, once you have that all written down, let's do some Lexia. That's all of our ready reading for today, okay? Go ahead and put your ready reading books away and finish up Lexia units for today.